Have you ever pondered why some voices just seem to resonate with us, causing us to listen more attentively? Why do certain voices make us feel comfortable, while others do not? Today we'll delve into the fascinating world of voiceovers and the power they hold in shaping our perceptions and emotions. In the sprawling jungle of media and entertainment, voiceovers are the unseen heroes, breathing life into characters, narrating stories, and guiding us through a myriad of emotions. Yet, there is a challenge that many voiceover artists face: the struggle to evoke the right emotions and connect with the audience. So, what's the secret to overcoming this hurdle? The answer lies in mastering the art of vocal versatility. It's about more than just having a pleasant voice. It's about adapting to various roles, styles, and moods, and delivering performances that are authentic and engaging. Imagine a voiceover artist as a chameleon, effortlessly blending into different scenarios, be it a thrilling action sequence or a tender moment of love and affection. This requires a deep understanding of the script, the character, and the emotions that need to be conveyed. It's about knowing when to be loud and assertive, soft and soothing, or sarcastic and witty. Now, let's shift our focus to the solution. To master vocal versatility, one must practice, practice, and practice some more. It's about pushing the boundaries of your vocal range, experimenting with different tones and pitches, and understanding the subtle nuances that can make a world of difference. It's about immersing yourself in the character, feeling their emotions, and projecting them through your voice. To summarize, the key to captivating voiceovers lies in mastering vocal versatility. It's about understanding the character and the emotions to be conveyed, experimenting with different tones and pitches, and practicing relentlessly to perfect your craft. Remember, a voiceover artist is not just a voice, but a storyteller, an emotion evoker, and a chameleon, effortlessly blending into different scenarios. With the right approach and plenty of practice, you can turn the challenge of evoking the right emotions into an opportunity to captivate your audience and leave an indelible impact. And that, dear listeners, is the power of a truly great voiceover. So, the next time you hear a voiceover that resonates with you, take a moment to appreciate the artistry behind it. Because behind every great voiceover, there's a voiceover artist who has mastered the art of vocal versatility.